Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Using with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, there is a guy who asked me one question, and which is very important question. And he asked me, "Sir, I already have a US C1D visa. Can I apply for a US tourist visa, which is B1 B2 visa? Am I eligible for it?" So guys, the answer to this question is yes, and this is a very important question. That is why I thought to make a video on it. Yes, you can apply for a US tourist visa if you have a US C1D visa. But guys, hold on, do not skip, because there is a catch, and which is very important before you are applying for a tourist visa. Once you have a C1D visa, what happen is, once you apply for a tourist visa, the consulate might ask you this question: why you want to go to a US? So if you answer this way, that I want to see US and all that, you already have a US C1D visa. You can see US from the cruise ship as well. So there are chances they find this answer suspicious. So straight away go ahead and reject your B1 B2 tourist visa application right away. But the worst thing is yet to come. If they are not very satisfied with your answer, they have all the right to cancel your C1D visa also. Yes, you heard me right. They might cancel your C1D visa also. So all I'm saying is, before applying for a B1 B2 visa, you really need to have a strong case. Then only please apply if you already have a C1D visa. So be careful. So guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family if they are applying for B1, B2 or C1D visa. I'll keep making such videos and informing you about cruise ship and cruise ship life. See ya. Bye.